I'm going to take the place of the glass. And I'm going to hold this object at my chin. And I cannot move any further back, so there's no cheat here. I'm going to release it right from my chin here. You realize, as you have just seen, that the slightest push, and this will be my last lecture, and no book signing afterwards. So I need your collaboration. When I count down from 3 to 0, no noise, no coughing, and I would even appreciate it if for those 3 seconds you would not even breathe. And I have to tell you something. I couldn't sleep all night. I'm going to close my eyes. I don't want to see it. And I'm going to count down from 3 to 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. I normally, after this demonstration, tell the class, physics works and I'm still alive.